If you take a look at any dryer for your clothes, you are going to see a big warning sign that says, do not use flexible duct, do not use plastic foil duct. But then if you look down at the duct that's connected, most people have these plastic foil ducts. These are super dangerous. They could rip or burn through really easily. Not only are these type of dryer vents not metal and not flame resistant, they have a lot of creases in them where lint can build up, causing the airflow to be not as good as it can and causing your dryer to have to work harder, which will cause your electric bill or your gas bill to go higher, and your clothes will take longer to dry, and it is super dangerous. Now, there are a bunch of different dryer vents on the market, and starting with the plastic foil ones, that's the most common one, and I highly recommend that if you have one, you get rid of it. Now, the next choice is going to be a semi-rigid metal one. These ones are better than the plastic foil ones, but there are a lot of issues with these as well. Number one is most of them are like tinfoil, super thin. They rip easily, or they get crushed or bent really easily, which will make the airflow not as good as it could be, or there could be a rip and then it'll be blowing hot air and lint into your laundry room, which I see all the time, and that is not good. The next thing is they do not compact small enough. So a lot of times I'll go behind a dryer and I will see that there's like a 20-foot hose that's wrapping around like a snake. The people didn't even bother to cut it, and the longer your vent is, the more twists and turns, the less efficient your system is going to be. So the only dryer vent that I would recommend after doing this type of work for the past 10 years is DryerFlex. This one is flame resistant, it is crush resistant, it is tear resistant, and the best part, in my opinion, is that this dryer vent compacts really small, but then if you have to pull it out, it's either 4 feet for the smaller one, or they have the 8-foot one, and it compacts a lot more than any other dryer vent. Also, this dryer vent is super easy to install, and it won't start falling apart and ripping when you install it. And if you guys want to learn how to install this correctly so no air would leak out and you have the best airflow possible, then check out this video right here where I break it down in a simple and easy to follow method on how to install this dryer vent, DryerFlex, onto your dryer and onto your wall, no matter what your situation is in your laundry room. Thanks for watching.